Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about reduction variable. So I will put about v equals to x plus y. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have dv over dx. First derivative of x, you got about 1. First derivative of y, you got about dy over dx. Because we don't have positive number 1, so we put number 1 go to the left. So this one we change by v. This one we change by this one. So negative number 1 we put on the right. And tan v squared plus 1 we put on the left. Ds we put on the right. Next, tan v squared plus 1 we change secant of v squared. And later that, this one we can change into cosine v squared dv. Now we can put the integration for the both sides. We know that this one that's about cosine 2v plus 1 over 2. And now I will put number 2 go outside. The integration of cosine 2v, that's about 1 over 2 sine 2v. Number 1, that's about v. The integration of dx, you got about s, and we put about c, that's about the constant. About v, that's about s plus y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.